If you want to see just how flexible and customizable this 3 monitor mount is, I'm just going to show you some of the many different positions this can be in, whether it makes sense or not. I mean, we're talking, these things go all the way in. You can make a triangle out of it. Either one can go out. Each arm is adjustable in and of itself. These monitors can be facing outward. For example, if you are working on a monitor and then you have customers facing in that direction, you could have the monitors face outward. They could be, a few feet out more that way. You can have them all in different directions here, different orientations. If you have really long monitors, this could be one long extended screen to have that everlasting screen effect, to be as though it is a 6-foot long screen if you have really long wide monitors. So this thing is extremely flexible, durable. Talking up, down, like almost any direction. I don't know that you'd ever have anyone above you, but hey, if you did, this would work for that. If you got people, whatever, at any direction these can go in. But just keep balance in mind as well when you're working with it. Have screens relatively in the two end screens relatively in the mirrored effect position so that it's overall balanced. If it is mounted to the desk with a hole through the desk and you're using the mounting plate, you'll have even more stability, and you can have them in all sorts of directions. So there are just some of the many types of orientations you can have with your 3-monitor screen. Highly recommend this to anyone who is looking for productivity with multiple screens. Thank you to the brand for providing this for me.